What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevrolet SS flip key remote fob. This Chevy SS key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade open. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. I'm going to do that by coming over to the side where the key blade folds in and get a couple fingers on this part like this. And then I'll put my thumb down here and then just kind of peel that back like that. And now we see our battery right here. And sometimes this battery just pops out, but if not, you can kind of just get a fingernail on the edge of it and get it out of there. It doesn't take much. If you're unable to use your finger, you can use a flathead screwdriver or something similar. Now we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this part in down here first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Snap our back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.